Aner malak Nyambia Kamal Kanur online TV channel. Shana Janyama kan kon marwach gwasame and wala kon ka breaking news mugoro de jeling kalerme be ka ayot kanti karegan shitwogan winemi donken yeling gorjen wodere ling manan chodalat and me twoga kamnwer karodian yek mishodalat rieka mo twoga ka Friday beneka Saturday la shanga dish kan shamba kelki shamba kel kan shambaro so chirek mo jatwok twoga ka shanka ka well bene ka shanka wero so jana mo chi twoga ne chang well kel shanga well shanga wero ga shanga well diogon wala so ban rajme ban jelinga ta danen chi twoga jere wejin winemi ka yot kanti kan kono niam mi jiram jidit kan war online TV channel gorjen o jender subscribe ko de janyu abaka nasun ko ken ban leram ban jelinga go ak do danen chai no gaje en lera me roje ka kwire ka men chitwo ka yot kam nore karodien shim go amanan shoda lat gwasme ka yot kanti ban je chulin kel ko do brande kon linga ja shala do te ko korm chitwo gre which ka yot kam kwari la kwarpa yam administrator kene bodyguard ka biye buma quite deng ka yot kanti ka shang wel kel ka pay ngwaron kin dangro jen dangro widi diech ka tabadek ka runwang ari ka me toga ka Friday ka shang wel jene dane to go rode ja me charo to ka yodon gwasamo ka shang wel ka jen pay ngwan take a kwar mijidin pay kwany la payam administrator jen wache jen choka biye buma ko boje kana Ramadan en la kwar en tetin man ko lo woch en kwar mo te ka payam money jen we en winemi ko jen bajo kam stam la mala warga na la ka piem ke je ke biye buma la stam mo jen la kam karan be ko yuda gano jin shi kwar shi jek chwaja kam stam mo sorry kan je kam stam mo mi chewe lo we stam we je lor an gwada mo chu teral mi chitu ga kwide en stam en mi chitu go mi chi kwere mo mi chatie je kwere te winyi won je jogo no ko kam stam ko chaje wo la kwere biye boma na money la former payam administrator ko logo jeno to be stam an gwada mo ka jen Saturday karun wan ka tabude am ala former payam kwere former payam administrator wajen chaben kede ni wan gwada mo wache ben mebe bugu je kana kwere jidit la kwere jidit la new appointed administrator wajen gwada na tuok riek motin wajen kwere jidit mo wa kana no go baye kamistam an gwada mo chwa chubar ken Ramadan la body guide chwa kan dangro chwa kan nak jen gwada mo shi riek mo yu chu tuok tino ne wana me sha yut kan she nung dwal medit ke der medit kamandana shoda lat cha kula no dong shi ayut kan tin wo shi chinado chi goren palpinyen tema ke jen kuro mo de kon ko wena kone kon la nuare ko nam tore nuare ngum me lari ko kona me de na rodan na ko rodan me ka kware panya na me na me be je ler dan le roden tema so beje kwen ye ka tok English ka dobra na chalat ke je a come return in Ayut County after deadly fight which killed the Payam administrator and his bodyguard in Biay Buma, Kwaidang in Ayut County on Saturday 11 April 2025 at 8 a.m. in the morning. On Friday 10 April 2025, new Payam administrator went to Biay Buma to meet with colleagues who was relieved from his position as a Payam administrator for honor but failed to reach the consensus over the stamp of the Payam. The new leader wanted to take the stamp of Payam, but the relieved administrator refused to honor the stamp to the new appointed one. Ernest, the former Payam administrator, has orchestrated to eliminate his colleague. On Saturday morning at 8 a.m., the former Payam come with his force to meet with the new appointed administrator, but unfortunately the meeting did not succeed, which resulted into shooting. We killed the new appointed Payam administrator and his bodyguard. This incident created a fear and envy in Ayut County, but a calm has returned after the situation was very high between parties. The people of Ayut County are mourning for the loss of those souls. Stay tuned for more updates. So ne me agenda na choda lar ne me ka Ayut binami kam ne nuare karudin ka kwi kwara payam ka kwi stam ka man la wargane apim keja. An ban yo je umra dien bi atemal bye bye.